Hi, welcome to Donegal Dad. I'm Mark. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we're going to have a look at how I make my stone walling. Let's have a look at building a stone wall down this hillside. So for that, I use this cork strip, which is commonly used in laminate flooring for sealing it off. It's about 2 foot long by about 10 mil wide. And we use that to form a mould along the surface to create the wall. To prepare the cork strip to be used, get a Dremel type tool with a wire brush attachment on the end. And what we're going to do is we're going to roughen up this surface here. Now you can see the wire brush attachment has roughened up the surface, so it's no longer smooth. So I'll carry on doing the rest of this and come back in a minute. There's the strip completely roughened up, so we lay it face down alongside another strip that I've also roughened up, and then we wrap it in some cling film. The cling film acts to hold it together and also gives it a little bit of strength when you're moulding it around to the shape of the hillside. And you're going to push the cling film down into the roughened surface. And just cut the cling film to fit. So you're going to make another one of these. Because these are going to act as your mould walls. So the wall's going to run down along this edge. So we take our first section of cork and using some long pins, we just pin it in place. Pushing it through and into the surface. And this helps hold it in place. And you just pin along wherever you need to hold it. And this helps the cork adhere to the contours of the hill. Now to get the right spacing, what I use is a bit of normal walling here, just to put in there. And then I get the second piece along the side, and again pin that in. So I'll carry on doing that. Cork strips are in place now, pinned in to act as moulds for the wall. In here I have a mixture of different sized stones. This is just aquarium gravel. So I'll put it in a jar, give it a bit of a mix up. Don't shake it too vigorously, you just want it to mix up. And I'm going to pour some in a folded bit of paper. And this is simply just to help me pour it in. You want to build it up in layers, so don't go too deep to begin with. So you want it to come up to about 2/3 the strip of the first cork strip. Just use a little paintbrush just to level that out. Once you've got the gravel mixture in there and you've tamped it down, with a paintbrush. Just give it a good soak in. This is just normal water. And then we're going to take a 50-50 mixture of PVA and water with a drop of washing up liquid to help break the surface tension. And then we're going to drop that in. So that's the first level of the wall. Now quite simply is we repeat that and build the wall up again. So I'll do that now. So again, some more of the gravel mixture. Pour it in on top. So the finished wall height should be about a third of the way up the second cork strip, and that will give you a wall of about 4 foot high. I've sealed off the ends of the cork strips with a little bit of sellotape. So again, paintbrush just to tamp it down, level it out. That looks good there. And repeat. Good soaking with water. And then repeat with the PVA glue. And to leave that, because it's quite a thick layer of stone there, leave it for a good 36 to 48 hours to dry before removing the moulds. So we'll leave that to dry now. It's been 48 hours. Let's take the cork strips away and see how the walls turned out. There's our stone wall. Give it a bit of a tidy up, brush some of the loose stones away, and then we'll look at giving it a little bit of paint just to improve the appearance. All remains to be done now is go over it with a black wash just to give it a bit of an aged effect. There's the black washing done now on the wall. As you can see, it's made it look a bit more aged. You can further highlight some of the stonework by using some dry brushing techniques with white paint. The wall is made from aquarium gravel, so you can further change the colours of the wall by using different types of gravel, which comes in all shades and shapes. I hope you found that useful and how I do the stone walling. Next week we're going to have a look at different scale casts and how I do the paintwork for stone effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and leave your comments down below. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave your comments down below.
I'm having trouble connecting to the